Welcome to the unboxing of the BirDog P120, a powerful and versatile camera designed for professional video production. Today, we'll take a closer look at what's inside the box and explore the features of this impressive camera. Let's begin by unboxing the camera itself. As we open the box, the first thing we encounter is a welcome envelope. Have a welcome note. It's always nice to receive a warm welcome, and BirDog makes sure to greet you with a friendly message as you unbox your camera. Inside the box, we also see an instruction page that provides guidance on how to safely open the camera. As we continue unboxing, we come across a separate box that contains the accessories. We'll set this box aside for now and focus on bringing the camera out. As we further explore the unboxing experience, we notice a layer of cardboard packing that secures the camera. To safely remove the camera from the box, BirDog has provided convenient handles on the top of the cardboard packing. These handles ensure a secure grip as we carefully lift the camera out of the packaging. Now, let's open the accessory box that accompanies the BirDog P120 camera. The first item we see is the camera power adapter, which provides the necessary power supply to the camera. Next, we have the remote controller. This handy device allows you to remotely control the camera's functions and settings. Please note that it requires a 3V County Route 2032 coin lithium battery for operation. We also find a USB to 3.5mm audio cable. This cable enables you to connect external audio sources to the camera. Additionally, we have the Tally light number inserts. These inserts allow you to customize the Tally light display on the camera. Lastly, we have a bag of camera mounting screws. These screws are essential for securely mounting the camera on wall mounts, etc. It's time to delve into the features of the BirDog P120 camera and explore what makes it an exceptional tool for your video production or online meeting needs. As we examine the camera, we can appreciate its sleek and professional design. The BirDog P120 camera is meticulously crafted, showcasing attention to detail and a focus on functionality. The P120 camera has compact dimensions, measuring approximately 145mm in width, 152mm in depth, and 171mm in height. In terms of weight, the P120 camera is lightweight and portable, weighing around 1.0 kg. This makes it easy to transport and position the camera according to your specific needs, whether you're setting up in a small studio or a larger event space. On the front, we have the powerful lens with a 20x optical zoom capability, allowing you to capture detailed shots even from a distance. The lens is accompanied by the Sony Exmor R back illuminated CMOS image sensor, which enhances low light sensitivity and delivers stunning image quality. Additionally, the BirDog P120 camera is equipped with an LED screen positioned on the front. This LED screen serves as a valuable source of information and feedback, offering a quick and convenient way to monitor essential settings, camera status, and other relevant details. This front-facing LED screen enhances your workflow by providing immediate access to vital camera information. Turning to the back of the camera, we find a range of ports and controls. These include NDI, HDMI, and SDI outputs for versatile video connectivity, as well as an audio input for capturing synchronized high-quality audio. The thoughtfully designed interface ensures seamless integration into your production setup. The Mohawk Tally, positioned on top of the camera, gives you a clear visual indicator, allowing you to easily identify the active camera and direct your attention accordingly. It eliminates any confusion or guesswork, ensuring smooth communication during your production or meeting. Additionally, the BirDog P120 camera incorporates a unique numbering system. Removable silicone numbers are placed at the back of the camera, providing additional Tally vision and allowing switcher operators to easily identify cameras. Underneath the BirDog P120 camera, you'll find convenient features for mounting and configuration. The fixed mounting holes ensure a secure attachment to surfaces and compatible camera mounts. The tripod mounting holes allow easy mounting on tripods or other camera supports using standard tripod screws. Additionally, the base dip switch, located on the bottom, is used for configuring camera settings. And there you have it, the BirDog P120 camera unboxed and ready to elevate your video production or meeting experiences. Thank you for joining us on this unboxing journey of the BirDog P120 camera. Stay tuned for our upcoming videos where we will dive into in-depth testing and demos of this camera. We will explore its capabilities, showcase its performance in various scenarios, and provide valuable insights to help you make the most out of this remarkable camera. Don't miss out on the exciting content ahead. Make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you won't miss a single video.
Gadgets Pod. Understanding technology.